Have you ever wondered what you might see if you could pull back the curtain of time to that very first Christmas? If we could, I imagine the story began in heaven, something like this.
Oh boy, this isn't quite what I imagined when I was creating Earth. I feel so far from my kids.
Why?
It's hard to be friends with somebody when you don't like what they're doing. I think it's time.
Time for what, Lord?
With all of heaven bustling with activity, God told the angels it was time to step in.
Shall I ready the army, Lord?
No, I don't think we should send an army. We should send one person.
Brilliant. They won't be expecting that. Lord, if we're just sending one person, they'll have to be very strong and very powerful because there are tons of people down there.
No, he won't have to be strong. I'm actually just sending a baby.
A newborn baby? Brilliant. They won't be expecting that. Lord, this plan is rather risky. A newborn human baby is small and weak. He must be born to people who will protect him, a ruler, maybe a mighty king.
Actually, I was thinking I could send him to a peasant girl who's beautiful and kind. She's courageous.
A peasant girl? Brilliant! It won't be expecting that! Lord, I see your plan is to take Earth by surprise. No one will be expecting a newborn baby born to humble villagers. But what good can a baby do?
Well, I'm not just sending any baby. I'm gonna send the Prince of Heaven in disguise.
What? Our prince! Our prince! The Prince of Heaven? Your son? Your son? Your son? William, we will not be expecting that. Lord, this is too risky. The Prince of Heaven is disguised as a tiny baby, born not to a king but to humble peasants. Surely he should not be born in a village cottage. He should be born in a guard palace.
You're right. He shouldn't be born in a cottage. He'll be born in a stable.
A stable? Surrounded by animals? Surrounded by hay? Surrounded by hay? Surrounded by poo? Brilliant! They won't be expecting that.
The angels questioned, how will they know if he's there?
Those who are looking for him will find him, and his mission will be to bring all my people closer to me, even if they've done something really wrong. When the prince is done, nothing will get between them and my love.
The angels asked if clues could be left in the stars for the people.
Clues in the stars? Sure, why not? And we can make one huge one that points right to him.
Oh, the star. Sing for him, please. Please. Please, Lord, please. Can we sing for him?
All right, you can sing. Just not in front of the whole world. That would be weird. And no kings or rulers either.
The angels pointed out some lonely shepherds that they could sing for.
Brilliant. They won't be expecting that.
Anyway, that's how I imagined it. And you know the rest of the story.